soul and I promise that I'll try throughout the end. ليتك دوم.
Our home together.
Hey Dazers.
You know,
Today is Juma, so Juma Mubarak. I am here making donuts for some special people.
and
Just a little sadaqah.
And even this is not sticky because give me with the special sauce.
It's not sauce, it's spray.
Oh.
It's spray.
Not sticky spray.
Yeah.
So this is not sticky. My
mom
just put it here and then
thing.
Hadaf is here. I squished Mag and Hadaf together now and turn big.
Yeah. Okay. So this is after Fajr and it's this is way beyond after Fajr.
It was just like
it's almost 11. So basically I've been up since like 4. I had to Imam, I got Imam to mop the house because with Hadaf, it seems like now we have to mop the house every 2 days. The house gets so sticky because he's always spilling and throwing and there's always... Okay, alright, he's saying hey Dazers. Yeah, so we had to mop and then I had to clean out the laundry room because as I was recording Hadaf doing his craziness, I noticed it was a mess. And I ended up doing like some serious deep cleaning because we had a moth come in like a couple of weeks ago. A moth got into the laundry room and then I don't know if she was pregnant, but they multiplied or she multiplied. And so we had a whole bunch of moth and it was disgusting. I had to clean them out and spray. So I'm so exhausted. I did deep cleaning.
And I'm going to get the massage feed downstairs.
Because it's Friday, I am busy here I made some donuts. Well, I have to glaze them. And I'm making African donuts, aka Picasso. And I'm about to fry some masa as well. It is Zohar time right now, exact. And this is my last batch. And I've been here since after Fajr. After reciting Quran and just getting the kids situated and all of that. I've been on my feet all day, well, all morning, and it's past noon now, so pretty much all day, and I'm not even done. So I still have to fry the masa, and I'm supposed to make samosa, but I don't know how I feel. I don't know, we'll see. If I'm not too sleepy, I'll go ahead and finish the samosa. Otherwise, I'll just leave it for today. So I'm also gonna have to ice the cupcakes for HAMDI'S Ramadan relief. So I'm basically giving these out to people just for sadaqah, inshallah. Alright, gotta go before I burn this Picasso. Everyone else is sleeping while I'm here. Been here while everyone else was sleeping. Alright, see y'all later, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum. Assalamu alaikum. Hey Dazers. Just finishing the donuts. I still have the masa to do and it's almost 3 o'clock. I've been on my feet all day and everybody else is sleeping. I'm gonna have to go wake them up now. But these are just the ones that didn't turn out. The shapes came out weird, so we're keeping those except for these. I'm gonna give these as well. And these are just the bits. So I made some Oreo ones. These are the ones that I'm giving out. So there's some Oreo, regular glaze, and then sprinkles, kinds of sprinkles. This one is cinnamon. I sprinkled some cinnamon on top after I glazed. And that one is cocoa powder and peanut butter drizzle. So yeah, it's good stuff. Fattening, but good. Alright, I'm gonna get ready to start my masa. I'm also making light soup for fufu for later. I don't think I'm gonna be able to do the samosa. I'm so exhausted. And I have to ice the cupcakes for the Ramadan relief. So yeah. Alright, Ramadan Mubarak. Assalamu alaikum, Dazers. It is almost 4:30. I'm just finishing my masa. I just finished making the masa, and I finished my soup, and I'm just gonna go ahead and ice the cupcakes for the giveaway. So yeah, we're almost there. Almost 4:30. We're almost there. All right. Assalamu alaikum. Hey Dazer. So finally finished with icing the cupcakes, and I just discovered that I only have 2 boxes for cupcakes. So when you get the boxes, they come with these inserts, and so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use a plate, a regular plate, and I'm gonna put these inserts on the plate, and then put the third recipient's cupcakes inside. So yeah, that's gonna go in there. And these are the donuts I made for a special someone. And I made some African donuts, pinkaso and masa, African pancake. And these also for others, and this is for us, just the ones that were flat. And yeah, so yeah, this is what Friday looks like in Ramadan, plus more. Okay, I don't even think I'm gonna get my nap, but at least dinner's ready and all this is ready. But now I have to get ready and go deliver, inshallah. So Ramadan Mubarak. Well, these need some honey. I'm not gonna put honey. I'll just wait till it gets to the recipient. They can put the honey. And these need some sugar, just regular sugar. These need some sugar.
Hello
So
guys, hello Daze. I was watching Cartoon Network, and
you're supposed to be reading Quran, my sir. It's Ramadan. You shouldn't be watching Cartoon Network. Go clean up. You guys made a mess there. Go clean. Help how to clean up. Put the games back. And wipe the board, my sir. The blackboard. Yeah, had have scribbled. Wipe it. When you're done, get wipes and wipe it clean. Had to clean up. All right, I'm gonna get ready and head out, inshallah. Guys, check out the mint leaves in front of my house, in the front yard. They're huge. I decided to grab a couple and garnish the treats with them, and oh my goodness, they got so huge. The leaves are giant. It looks like someone accidentally spilled fertilizer or plant food on these, because they're huge. My goodness, mashallah. All right, I'm gonna garnish. Okay, I am officially done. I need to get out of here. These are the other cupcakes without a box, and here are the ones in the box. So it's 1, 2, 3, and then we have these. All right, Ramadan Mubarak. Remember, don't get too close. Hi, Shekna. Hi. Oh, there's a baby. What do you say?
congratulations, you are the recipient of the Ramadan relief.
Give it to Maria. Well, Maria, where's Nyuma? Ha, kubude kofa na.
Pizza delivery. Pizza delivery.
Hey.
Oh, back in what name mama.
Pizza delivery.
Alabi, come here.
Pizza delivery.
Where?
Congratulations, you are the recipient of HAMDI'S Ramadan relief.
Thank you.
We're looking for Abdullah, not you. Where is he?
You're looking for me. Now I want to see me. I'm tonight.
We want to see how.
What kind of Ramadan?
What do you say?
Congratulations. You are a recipient of Hamdi's Ramadan
He's like
relief.
half asleep.
Thank you.
Wow. So how's the fasting going?